Okay. So, Mega, so according to SEO or according to website design, when compared to them, WordPress will be better. You will have a better design. That is for sure.
Thank you.
Okay. And implement the SEO concept, whatever you learn. Check after 1 year. Okay. In this 1 year, you have to create good posts, good content, good videos on the platforms, and you have to implement the SEO strategy to that content.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
For sure, after 1 year, with the same query, you can see your position from 60 to 80. That is for sure. In 1 year. If you are like what we call off way of work, like see in SEO we have two ways, on page, off page.
Okay.
Okay. If you implement the off page or when on page, then you can see a position up to 60 to 70 after 1 year if you work regularly.
Okay.
If you full-fledgedly do SEO completely, then for sure you will have a good position. And that too, why I'm telling that number, why? Because there is a huge competition for your business. It will take some time.
Yes, sir. I'm getting
If
your
there
point.
is a less competition, I can give a good number for you. But now, according to this, you have to generate a good content and you have to have a more content on your website.
For sure, sir. I'll do so.
See, when we checked for this SEO audit, for which website we checked, this is for okay, where is this? Yeah, this one. For example, when compared to horoscope, Astro stage is a good position. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, when I go here, when I check with the audit thing, then I can see where is it audit. This audit here, you can see past are 13, errors are 3, warnings are 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll go with Amazon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm going with Amazon. Now we know Amazon is a good brand
So it's a huge brand.
where they'll implement SEO.
Um,
Yeah,
for sure, sir.
I can't hear you.
So I'm saying for sure they are using SEO.
Okay, now we'll check the audit of them.
Okay.
You can see something. How is the result?
So it's showing past 10, 6 errors, 6 warning.
Yeah. So if like errors are more, warnings are more, still they are active on the first page, how is it possible?
So due to paid campaign?
They are doing branding. They have ads. Okay, getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Now people are not searching for a product. They are searching directly for Amazon.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
When people search the word Amazon, now obviously it will pop up their domain.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not having money, then you have to work with your website. You have to make everything good. You have to wait for the time.
Okay, sir.
If you have money, then nothing is needed. Just do branding well, then you will get a good business.
So one small question: what
Hmm.
is difference between branding and digital marketing?
See, branding is included in digital marketing.
Okay,
Branding is included in digital marketing.
okay,
Digital marketing will have two phases.
okay,
One is a free version of phase, one is a paid version of phase.
okay,
Free version of phase include your website design,
okay,
your SEO part,
okay,
your social media management.
okay,
Okay. Now this will take time.
okay, for sure.
Yeah, paid version is like paying something, getting the backlinks of paid backlinks in SEO also.
Yes,
And AdWords, different kind of ads available on different kind of platforms.
okay,
It may be YouTube, Play Store, Google search, websites, different places. And social media, in social media also we have paid campaigns.
yes, sir.
So these things. So two versions are there. Now the people who have money, like not that much, a good amount of money, they can go with ads. Simultaneously, they'll go with organic also. Both the things they'll do. Okay.
Okay,
Now they are showing their ads for branding only, not for sale. Remember, every ad will represent the branding symbol only. Only one kind of thing, that is lead generation.
yes, sir.
Okay, lead generation is the only campaign which represents the like self profit for the business, and remaining everything will look like a branding only.
So here you are using look like.
Hmm.
So like look like as in you are saying it will look like branding, but it is doing digital marketing as well, right?
Yes.
Okay,
See, we know Wikipedia.
very well. Yes, sir.
Wikipedia will not do SEO. Okay,
Seriously,
Yes,
sir?
yes.
they'll not do SEO. What is their main source? Their main source is content. Okay,
Okay,
their main source is content, and to that content, what they are doing link building. If you check
okay.
in a single line of LinkedIn, like in Wikipedia, if you go for any topic, check in a single line, you can see multiple links available.
Yes, sir.
That will be internal links, that will be external links. Okay. So this
Yes, sir.
link building is helping them to get the first position.
Okay, sir.
Why they have a huge content, lots of people will be working on that. Now it will be easy. Now you are the only person, then you have to focus on the 360 degrees. You have to
Yes, sir.
focus on the search engines, you have to focus on the social media thing. Okay, got it. Email
Yes,
marketing, WhatsApp marketing, every corner on external websites, every corner you have to focus, then you will get a business.
okay.
So yeah, it's already 8:30. So what we did today, we used some
So
sections in Elementor and we designed it. So based
yes,
upon
sir.
the requirement, what all requirement you have. For example, I want to show some countdown timer. Okay, some countdown timer I want to show. Like limited sales is there, limited offer is there. Then this countdown timer will help me out. Okay, simply drag it, drop it wherever you want. Okay, and you can set a
Okay,
countdown
sir.
timer here. Now it is available in seconds, minutes. It is microseconds, seconds, or what is this? Yeah, to check with the settings.
Days.
Countdown duration. Okay, this is a date here. No, that is not the date. That is the time actually. Go with style. content production. Okay. Here only we have check. Display days, days to show. Yeah. Only hours, minutes, and seconds. These are the three things we have. Timer setting, label position, and line I'm taking. Now to have a better look, to have a better design, photo style. Mm, color and typography. These are the digit colors. Okay, whatever your logo color will be there, just change it to that and make it as a boxes so that people will look like they have a good style. All those styles we have. Mm, so box style. Okay, for everything they have separate. Fine. So this is for day color, this is for hours color, and these are for individual boxes styling. That means for each and every box. For example, I want to show hours in one type of color background. Already one color is not that, it is in white only. You can see one color available here. Better to go with yellow. See, I have taken gradient style, so it is having a different format here. If you are not picking gradient, if you are going with a regular thing, then you will have only one plain color. This is for hours thing. I'll go for the seconds thing. This is hour and this is for minutes. In minutes, I'll go for rigid color. Go with this color. Which color will pick? You want a little bit 24 minutes and the seconds. We go with the gradient again for a normal classic one. So this one, whatever this 20 minutes and 15 hours, these are there. These are according to the settings. Now, if you want to show in an inline format, it will be available, or if not, simply change something here. The content thing only, the position type. Okay, in this way. See, when you use these timers,
So at the time of some special offer.
at that
Yes.
time only. And thing is, now this will like it will not be updated automatically. You have to do it manually every time. For example, 15 hours is there. Now, when it is going to end, you have to go there and you have to update it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or different settings are there. Now this is one kind of property. Now when you have this dashboard only, you can analyze things. Why? Because I can give a task. You can implement every concept, like every property available here. So for example, you want to show like a countdown timer, like it is already counted timer, like a count thing. In the DmmAcademy thing, you can see when we scroll down to the footer, we can see a counter file counting some numbers automatically. Here in the down, if you focus that, you can analyze that. You can see some numbers scrolling. This one, 1200 and 1055 something.
Yes, count.
Now, now that count, now this is the same count here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, do one thing. Social icons. See, here directly you can pick from the Elementor or you can take a plugin also. Both the things you can use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Simply drag and drop wherever you want to show the things. Maximum social media will show in header or footer, only two sections. Okay. So wherever you want to show, simply drag and drop that and give the links here, whatever links you have. Okay. And whatever styling, like what kind of icons you want. What kind of icons you want. For example, official color, this is fine. Okay. We'll go with advanced. We don't have anything in advanced. We'll check here. Yeah. Shape is there, rounded, it is square, or we want it in circle. Okay. Whatever property is there. Now, when you drop a property, check with the complete thing in the property. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Maybe type of the property, it may be style of the property, everything. When you check everything, then you'll get an idea what is the purpose of that property, and whenever you want to design, you can pick that exactly wherever it is. Simply you can go and we can pick. So
Okay, sir.
the thing is, already H1 has a dashboard. H1 can practice with all this elemental thing. Now, those who don't
Yes.
have, they can't practice. And in the free version of WordPress, no Elementor will not be supported. Not only Elementor, maximum plugins will not be supported. If you have an
Okay.
idea of that, then that is okay. If not, why? Because Satish and Yashwant may be using free WordPress of thing. Did you use free WordPress anytime, Satish and Yashwant?
Uh, Blogs.
Blog, only Blogger you have used.
Yes.
In Blogger, you will not have plugins.
We have taken a JavaScript and implemented on that.
And in free WordPress also, free WordPress will not support plugins.
Yes.
Okay, you will not get plugins. So that means you can't practice well on free WordPress also. For that, you have to have a paid version. That is for sure. So that's why I suggested to buy a domain and hosting for everyone. But because without practicing, you can't get anything.
Yes.
So here, different sections are there. Event calendar, embedded press, Facebook feed. This one, Facebook feed. We have seen the Facebook like box showing the
Yes.
Facebook feed here. Okay, different sections are there. If you have this hosting part, then you can use every property. Just simple thing. Just drag this property, drop it here, check what the property is. Okay, how it is working. For example, think that my website is under construction. I don't want to show the people. Okay, check if that kind of property is available or not. Okay, if that is not available, what you have to do? You have to go to the plugins. You have to check for the plugin. For example, here I'll go with the normal plugins here. I'll go for new plugin and I search for plugin called under construction.
Yes.
Why people will use under construction?
The site is maintaining and something changing inside. Or if they want to change their domain to anyone.
See, we have different plugins we got under construction.
Yeah.
I think this is a better one. We got better installations and it is
Better.
compatible with the version. Okay. Now I'm using this under construction thing. So thank you for installing. Yes, fine. Now where is that plugin? Now some plugins will be directly available. On some plugins will be available in the settings part. Settings part. So this is the under construction thing. So here it is asking us to enable. Okay, please save changes. Now if I go to devotional hub, you should check whether it is giving the message or not. Under construction mode is enabled, but you are wishlisted to see. Yeah, we are in login section. We can see this. Can anyone can open this website from your end?
And
Okay, sure. Did you
sorry,
open
we
it?
are doing some work on the site.
Yeah.
Sorry, we are doing some work on the site.
Yes. Under construction, it is not showing a website.
No, not showing website.
Yeah, it is showing something like under construction.
Right, right.
Yeah, this plugin is showing the simple message, but some plugins will show the time also. The countdown timer also they'll show.
Hmm.
Just a moment.
They started.
Yeah.